Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with the Dollar Tree DIY. Now they have a bunch of these out in different colors. It's a big chip bowl. You're gonna need 2 of them and then 1 of these little guys. And we're gonna make a jingle ball, or jingle bell, I guess you would call it. Now, you could paint the inside if you would like it to be white and see-through. I'm going to do it as clear. And what we're going to do is we're going to, just like a jingle bell, I'm going to take a Sharpie marker and I'm going to do a big X right across. Just like this. And then I just have a little 2-inch circle. And we're going to put that 2-inch circle. I'm just going to take the corner of it. It just happens to work out. And I'm going to use this as a template to make a circle. And I'm going to do that on all 4 sides. And then, like I said, you could paint the inside white if you don't want to have a clear bell. Whatever works best for you. You could also paint the outside with spray paint if you want it to be a different color. And then you do this part last. But when you have the template of a circle cut out, I just used a 2-inch punch that I had. And then you can paint it or color it in with a Sharpie. You can make these much bigger. We'll just do a real quick Sharpie so you get the gist of it. And you're going to do each and every one of these. And you're just going to color them in. Do real quick. I'm just going to do 1 because I have learned that you guys are much smarter than I am. You guys are so crafty and give me so much inspiration. I have taken a little bit of a sabbatical, if you will, to attend to other things going on in my life, but I am currently planning out how to make everything work and get this life situated. So, but I still wanted to pass on some of what I can do. I don't have a lot of time nowadays, so that's why I'm kind of doing it quick and easy. And then you guys can make it how you like. And you know, you always did anyways. Even when I took my time and showed you exactly how I did, you guys would find a way to send me pictures of what you've done and make it look so great. So you're going to do all those, all 4 of them, color them in, thicken them up, just like I did here. Just make that real nice and thick. Or you can paint it with some acrylic paint if you'd like to do that. And you see how that has come out? You're going to do all 4 sides like that. Then what you're going to do, decide if you're going to paint the inside or leave it blank, whatever you choose to do. But then we are going to go along here. And of course I need a new, wouldn't be me if I didn't have this knot ready. We're going to go ahead and go along here. And you're going to kind of do it fast because you don't want it to, sounds like somebody's here. And when you get that all the way around, you're going to take the other part here and set that right on there. Get that all lined up. And if you need to hot glue it a different way, or if you need to use, what's the other glue? The E6000. That's an option as well. In fact, this kind of came off pretty easily. I didn't let it dry enough. So we're gonna go ahead and we are gonna use that E6000 in some of the places. And then you can go back. This will actually hold it much better. I would suggest when you do put this on there with the E6000, do some of it in hot glue to hold it in place. And then also use some tape. Oh, this cooled down, that's why. And then I have this guy here, and that's going to go on the lid. So, you guys, I must say, this heats up really fast. This glue gun, if you haven't seen it, I did do a unboxing about it. So we'll get that second part on there with that glue. So we've got hot glue, woo, and E6000. Make sure you get it on properly. If it can't go wrong, it will go wrong. And line that up as best. Oh, there we go. Perfect. And you'll see it makes a nice big jingle bell. And then you can either do two things. I like to put this right on top of it, or you can take just some twine and tie it to the top and then hang it down that way. But I like to do this, and I will be making a couple of these for our front yard. And you can't see my off camera because I'm trying to get this as perfect as possible here. But I'm just putting it on the outside here. Ooh. See, that's why I didn't show it. And then I'm going to stick that. I know you can't see it. It's right here and just as straight as possible. And then look at this cute jingle ball. I'll have to show it when it's finished. But if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And when you do yours, because I know some of you will do it, please show me. I would love to see it. All right. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you later. Bye.